Namaste, beautiful yogis. Welcome to Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali, and today we're doing an interval Pilates class. A bit of a different styles combination. So we're going to have a work interval and a rest interval. They're both work intervals. We're going to have a long 50-second interval, which is going to be some form of abs. I will just call them out, and I really expect you to do 40 seconds, and 10 is more for setup and demonstration. It's going to be poses you know from the classes, just different abs poses, different Pilates and abs poses. And then we'll have 20-second interval, which will be some form of squat jumps. Squat jumps or lunge jumps, pretty straightforward, so that we can keep moving. The shorter is your cardio session, the longer is rest / working on your abs session, and that is about it. We are going to start with the 50-second interval, which is going to be, I'll just show you the first one, which is going to be on all fours with knees hovering, and we're going to lift and round the back and lower, and lift and round the back and lower without touching the knees to the floor, if possible. If you have to take little rests, that's fine. Just do what you can, but you're going to really pull in, lift, hold, 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 round, 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 release, round, 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 and so forth. So you're gonna round for about 3 to 5 breaths, release, round, release. This is something we do quite a bit of. You pull the lower belly up, you engage the lower belly, and you can involve Mula Bandha minimally. You don't have to do full because it's a fast-paced class. And that's going to be it. Let's have fun and let's flow with love, strength, and ease. Starting the timer. All right, start. Round, hold, pull the knees in. This is a holding exercise. Be prepared for squat jumps after. Almost time for the squat jumps. 3 seconds. Squat jumps. Same position for the next exercise, except for we're gonna do knees across. All right, again on all fours hovering, and we're going to kick left knee to the right, right knee to the left. Let's go. Pull the belly in, spread the fingers open. Followed by switch lunge jumps in 3 seconds. Take position. Let's go. Onto our backs in 4 seconds. Onto the back. And we're going to reach forward and switch the legs. 1, switch. lower back on the floor. Snowboarders next, or surfers, sorry. Or I think it is snowboarders. So you're not laying on the floor, you just switch, jump, jump, twist, jump, twist, jump. Follow it again in 7 seconds on your back. On the back, same position, only we're gonna go for pelvic tilt with the arms over the head, shoulders down. Pelvic tilt. In 5 seconds, star jumps. So it's a squat jump with open legs. In 3 seconds, plank, plank. Right knee to right elbow, left knee to left elbow. Slowly. Take this as your rest interval with focus. Star jumps in 4 seconds. Jump. Plank. Knees across. Right knee to the left, left knee to the right. Star jumps in 8 seconds. Star jumps. Into plank in 5 seconds. Plank. Here we're gonna do leg lifts or heel lifts. Lift behind, lift behind. This one is a toughie. This one is a toughie. In 7 seconds, Snowboarders again. Snowboarders. Onto the back. Left leg toe dips, only one side, and then we're gonna do the other side on the next interval. So really focus. Slow down. Lower back on the floor, shoulders down. And if you do it for 30 seconds, it's enough. I've planned the intervals a bit too long on purpose for the setup. So a 50-second interval, I expect you to do 40 seconds of work in it, and the rest is shifting. All right, squat jumps. And prepare for the same thing on the right leg. All right, right leg, toe dips. Really focus on the belly here, lower belly in particular. This is cardio for me. It's hot here, but I'm sweating too. We're gonna go into snowboarders again in 8 seconds. Snowboarders. In 8 seconds on the back again. Oh, do I feel this? All right, on the back. This time, have both legs up. And we're going to bring the right knee in, left foot down, base position, left knee in, right toe down. Toe dip alternating with the knee coming in. Helps with the lower back position. Prepare for snowboarders. Snowboarders, since they're so much fun. We're going to repeat the same abs exercise in 1 second. Woo. Same thing on your back, knee in, one knee comes in, comes toe dips. Opposite. In 9 seconds bridge. Focus on. All right. We finished the 12 minutes, I think, in about 20 seconds or so workout. So we're gonna get into bridge, hold it, and after a few breaths you can shimmy the shoulders, deepen it. You can press your elbows down, and let's do a few bridge pumps. This is your cool down. That is slightly letting your system still work while you're cooling down. At the top of the bridge, connect to the abdominal muscles. Great. All right. Spread your feet about mat width apart and drop your knees to the right. Look away. And change. Come up and let's do a figure four stretch. So forming a four with the left ankle on top of the right knee. Stretch here. If you step your right foot down, left foot is still in a hip opener, drop your legs to the right, knee and foot down, and look away. Pressing that knee slightly away from you for a nice hip stretch. And change. Opposite side. Step your left foot down, flex your right foot, and just drop them to your left and look away to your right, and let that sweet stretch move through the tissue. And give me a big squeeze. So hold your breath, take a big inhalation, hold it, create tension in the face, tension in the hands, maybe in the toes, and then with the heart let it go and lay for a little bit. And just let yourself completely let go and float. Letting the body feel heavy. And stay here for a few moments, allowing yourself to flow with love, strength, and ease.